Hi, I am Takara. I am a student. Today I share my mother with everyone. About the movie story. He has been still. They have it on the water. I think she put very good. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now let me show you how I make my model. Thank you.